So I'm going to break down the fourth wall a little bit on this video because, you know, it's a turkey club. You grill turkey, you put some bacon on there, cheese, whatever. It's really easy and, you know, honestly, it's super delicious, but I kind of want to express some things and, you know, kind of make this a little bit of a story time. See, when I was growing up, I remember Food Network pretty much always being on in the background. And I remember loving watching my mom cook, and I remember loving all of the creativity that went into it. And that's weird because I was a really picky eater. I was a vegetarian for a really long time when I was growing up, and I barely ate anything. Now I'm really pretty exploratory with how I eat, and I love it. I'm so much more a foodie than I ever really expected I would be. And part of that was growing up and my first job being in a deli. I was doing dishwashing and, you know, serving people produce and whatever for a long time. And then eventually I started doing some cooking things with it. And that was really eye-opening for me. I remember the first time I made, it was this sub and it was on the grill. It was the first time I'd ever made something for a customer that was actually going to be paid. Because I'd done a few that, you know, with customers that we knew that were kind of, you know, freebies, whatever. But this was the first time that I was doing something for a customer who was going to pay for it. And I remember them coming back up to the counter after they'd finished, just saying to me how much they enjoyed it. And that was such an affirming moment for me. And I'm never going to forget it. And I thought for a long time about going into the food industry, but it seemed like the wrong move for me. And I've since gone into this creative video space where I'm constantly having to push my creative limits. And it's a much better fit for me overall. But I've learned so much about using cooking as a creative outlet, and these videos are a massive extension of that. And I just want to say I'm really appreciative, we're really appreciative of everybody who's watched these videos, who's enjoyed them. You know, when I'm recording this, we're sitting at like 150 something subscribers, and that's really insane to me. And I think, you know, how much fun these videos are. I never would have expected people to enjoy these videos as much as they have, and I really hope that we keep growing, but if we don't, then I'm still having fun doing it, and that's really kind of the biggest thing for me. We have loved making these videos. We've loved that people like watching them, but in the end, it's for us, you know? And we're just really glad to be able to share this joy that we have with so many people. So thank you, and, you know, we'll go back to the doofy stuff next week, and you'll have plenty of things to laugh at, but every once in a while, I think I want to kind of do these chill videos where I'm not really talking about the recipe. I'm just talking about life. This has been really cathartic for me, so hope you keep watching. I know this one's not the most interesting, but I hope you got something out of it. I certainly did. See you next time.